Today I'm going to show you how to create the Admob Ad unit IDs. Many people are facing this problem. Now I'm going to show you this. To create an Admob Ad unit ID, first you have to create an app. Then under that app you have to create the Ad unit IDs. So let's first start creating the app. To create an app in Admob Ad unit ID, you just have to go to the left side and find the apps menu. There are lots of app in my panel because I have already added. To for you may not have this kind of apps, but you will get a menu called add app. So click on that. Okay, have you published your app on Google Play or the App Store? If your app is published on the Google Play Store, then you can select yes, or if it's not, then you can select no. As you are the first time, I hope your app is not published on any kind of Play Store, so just click no. Enter your application information. Okay, let's name it basketball, and my platform is Android. Just click add, then a respective app ID is created. Keep in mind, whenever you see that sign, it means it's app ID. In the ad ID, it will be replaced by slash and it will be totally different ID. So keep in mind, whenever I ask you, whenever you want to get the app ID, keep in mind that is the app ID, and app ID should look like this. There will be this kind of sign. Okay, and now let's create. You can just copy it by here and paste whatever you want. Now let's create the add unit ID. To create add unit ID, you have to create add unit. There are three types of ad: banner, interstitial, rewarded. Banner ad is shown on the bottom or the top or any place. It's a small ad, 350 by 50 pixels or something like that. Interstitial ad is the full screen ad. Whenever user pause the game, or whenever user go to the another menu, then it will pop up ad, something like it's a pop up ad. Now let's create the banner ID from first. Add format is banner, automatically selected. You can set the name. Just I'm giving it a name banner1. Put the name whatever you want, it's nothing matter. In advanced setting there is nothing much, though I am telling you something about it. Add type video, that's keep it default. And automatic refresh, it's Google optimization. If you select custom, it said 120 seconds. It means your banner ad will be automatically refreshed by 120 seconds. You can make it as your desire. If you make it 30 seconds, then your banner ad will be refreshed after 30 seconds. So if you were new, I think you shouldn't put hand on that menu. Just keep it on Google optimization, then create the create ad unit ID. Okay, see, here is your app banner ID. Keep in mind, this is the app ID. Always keep in mind, whenever you see that kind of wave sign, I don't know actually its name, so whenever you see this kind of wave sign, you have to understand this is the app ID. Okay, and on the ad unit ID there will be a forward slash. So this is your banner ID. Okay, in later in the dashboard you will get everything. Now I am done with it. Click done. Okay, this is your app dashboard. Okay, this is your Admob accounts app dashboard. So here you will get all of your ad unit ID for the corresponding app. Okay, in here I have created the basketball app, and all the ad units are respected. All the ad units basically are for basketball game. Okay, now create another ad unit ID. I'm just creating ad unit. I'm selecting interstitial. I'm giving it a name, any name you want. Okay, I'm just giving it interstitial enter. There's nothing to change. Create ad unit ID. Okay, that's created. Here's the ad unit ID. I'm not copying it right now. then I'm going to create another ad unit ID, that is reworded. There is nothing to change, just create. Okay, done. Here I got all the apps. Okay, if you want to copy the ad unit ID, there is no need to go to the inner portion of that menu. Just click on that copy add unit ID, copy add unit ID, copy add unit ID, then it will be copied to your clipboard. Just copy it and post it whatever you want, and then copy it and post it whatever you want. That is how the ad unit ID work. And suppose if you need the app ID, then you can also get it from there. Go to app setting and selecting the app. Okay, where is my basketball game? This is my basketball game. If you notice that this is a right arrow mark here, right sign. Okay, now I'm clicking, it's already selected. Selecting the game, you will get a menu called app setting, and click on here. You will get the app ID over there. Okay, you will get the app ID over there, and if you need that app ID, you can also copy it from here. So here is the app setting, you will get the app ID, and on the ad units you will get all the ad units. Now on the app overview, you will get your app statistics, how many earnings you are getting from that app, how many ads are showing, how many impressions, how many clicks, etc, etc. There are lots of complex reporting over there. So you will just look after it, and you will get it. Now app setting, and in later, if you publish your game on the Google Play Store, then you can add it by here, not linked to Google Play. If you click over there, basketball, link your app with Google Play, if you click there, and you will just search with the package name. You should know your game's package name, then you should search by your package name, and this game will appear here. By this you can link your game to the Google Play Store after publishing the game to the Play Store. But at the first, your game may not published on the Play Store, so you can select not published to Play Store. Okay, that's the simple tutorial for AdMob. I hope you will enjoy it, and you will not face any problem creating the AdMob ad unit